Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have admin or data analyst access, so the system will show data flow options. Open the Data Flows console, choose the relevant source, set the precise time range, and pick CSV or JSON depending on analysis needs. Once done, enable audit logging and verify timestamps are synchronized so records align across systems. This prevents missing events and eases correlation. Start the export process immediately to capture a stable snapshot for the following processing steps. You run the extraction job, adjusting parallel threads to balance speed versus system load. This prevents throttling and dropped records. After extraction completes, validate row counts against expected metrics, check schema consistency, and run integrity checks like checksums so you catch silent corruption early. Then move raw files to secure version storage with access auditing enabled. This preserves provenance and lets you roll back if needed. Make sure to record job ID and timestamps for traceability and repeatability. You now aggregate and filter the extracted data, compute KPIs, and format the final report for stakeholders, choosing charts or tables as appropriate. Once generated, compare report totals and key metrics back to the original source counts to confirm completeness and spot anomalies. If you find mismatches, rerun an incremental extract for the missing window, inspect job and audit logs for errors or timeouts, and check timestamp drift. This targeted rerun fixes gaps without reprocessing the entire dataset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.